This video, we're gonna make this C10 look like our Forgotten C10. Welcome back to another Joyride vlog. Today we got Sarah with us.
Hi.
Show them what you got. Show them what you got. Yeah. And then she got some diamonds on them teeth. She got the grills.
I got the grills.
We got Liam back there just chilling. You know, he's just doing baby things. We're gonna do in this video, we're gonna modify some like little toy cars. It's some stuff that I've done already in the past. I do this all the time. I guess it's one of my like little nerdy things that I do. We're gonna modify a little, it's a Matchbox car, almost a Hot Wheel. And we're gonna make it look just like our C10, our project truck, the Forgotten C10. If you guys haven't seen those videos, there's a full playlist on those, on the build of the C10, and we're getting ready to do a motor swap on it and hopefully bags. We got the check engine light on. I checked the engine, it's still there.
Okay.
But before we get into that, we're gonna go grab a bite to eat. Kids are hungry. I think we're gonna go grab them some waffles. And we gotta go to the store. We gotta go get some supplies. We gotta go get some things that we're gonna need for this project. Look, Tom made his car 4-door. So we finished up at Waffle House, and we got lucky at Waffle House. The really nice guy paid for our breakfast this morning, didn't he? That was like super nice of the guy. Wasn't that really nice of that guy to pay for our breakfast? Yeah. You got your hat? Yeah, we got like 15 drinks. Oh yeah. Now we can officially get the vlog started. Should be everything that we need. If we need anything else, we'll let you know. We've got vice grip, paintbrush, drill bit, got our paint. We're going with a red oxidized primer. Then we've got our brown oxidized. That'll kind of give us the little faded rust look that we're going with. White for the hood. And then this is our paint stripper. This is what we're gonna strip the paint on this truck.
What we're also going to use.
We're not using a pumpkin. Piece of sponge that we're gonna use. You ready to do this, bud?
Yeah.
You gonna open this so we can actually start this little project? This is his like favorite thing to do, is open up toy cars, isn't it, bud?
Yeah.
Wow, let's see it. That's cool. The hood opens and everything. Look at that. Show them how the hood opens. Wow. Let's pop it up here. This thing is gonna look awesome once we're done. What do you think, bud?
Yeah.
We're gonna make this truck look just like our truck, and we're gonna have to first take it apart. That's gonna be the first step, and then start stripping the paint off of it and go from there. Drill bit, and then you just wanna drill that hole out. Comes time to putting it back together, you just wanna either super glue it, or if you got a tap and die set, you can do that and put a little screw in there.
I was thinking if you could paint it in a lower spot so I could see.
See what I want you to do? See that little spot right there?
Yeah.
Try to drill that. Pull the trigger so you feel it. Pull it. Okay. And it's starting to come out. See how it's starting to come out? Basically what you want to do is take that rivet and just drill out the top of it. Alright, let's check it. Bam! That one's apart, and then you pretty much repeat the same thing on that one.
Okay. You want to put it back on the pumpkin?
All right, think we got it. Did it come apart?
Yeah.
Look at that. All right, so now I'm gonna have to pull the interior out. See if you can pull that interior out. It should pop out. Did you get it out?
Yeah.
Oh wow, you got it out? Look at that. We may have to paint this black. Oh, there went the glass.
Yeah, and there went the hood.
The hood came off too?
Yeah.
Oh boy, let me see the hood.
And look at car.
Yeah, isn't that crazy?
Yeah. Nothing on the car. It's just the body.
That's crazy, isn't it? All right, so let's just set it all up and show everybody what we got. The body, the hood, glass, then we've got the interior. Whoa. That's the frame right there. There we go. That's everything, and now it's time to start stripping this. So So we're gonna put the truck in here for the paint stripper. And when yeah, buddy.
Watch you.
Wants to watch us do the stripper, but I'm gonna actually have him go inside because I really don't want him breathing that stuff because it's pretty potent. I know, but it's okay. So this is gonna be the first thing we use, paint stripper. And this stuff actually works pretty good. You gotta just let it sit for a little bit. I like to put enough on there. Then pretty much just let it sit. So while we're waiting on the paint stripper, I taped up the bed of it just to kind of keep that brown. I think we're pretty good on that. Still need a little bit more time on that. What we're gonna do with this, we're gonna tape this up. Since the bumpers on the truck are white, we're gonna paint the bumpers on this white. So probably what we're gonna do, so we don't have to take the wheels and all that stuff off, we're gonna just tape it up with blue tape and then just shoot it with some white paint plus primer. Tape. We pretty much got this taped up except for the bumpers. That'll be all right. Oh yeah, they look good. We'll let the bumpers just sit there and dry. Should be good. We're just still sitting here waiting on this. We got a couple different paints. Just got a little bit of blue inside of the cracks and crevices, but I think I'm gonna hit it with the paint stripper just one more time and that should do it. But the hood is pretty much good. Pretty much just let it sit overnight. She's completely clean. We got the hood. Pretty much got this part all done. She's looking good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, white bumpers. Whenever I paint these, I always start by painting the underside first. We're gonna just leave it right there in the vise, let it sit and dry for a little bit, which that primer dries actually pretty quick. So, I mean, you can pretty much touch it, but then we'll go and add the little rust effect and all that stuff to it soon. In the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and paint the hood with this white. Once that dries, we'll add this patina look to it. Yep, it's gonna look good. I'll just set that right there to dry. I'm gonna use basically it's a piece of sponge, and then what we're gonna try to do is just dabbing it up just to kind of make it look rough and dirty. Kind of look like mud, so I'm gonna take some sandpaper. Just kind of roughed it up a little bit. I know if I took some steel wool, soaked it in some peroxide, I've seen some guys on YouTube doing some rust look with that, so I might do that to that later on, but right now we're just gonna leave it like that because I don't have any steel wool. That's good. It's hard to get that stuff. Let's put her together and see how she looks.
Can I see?
Yeah, now the only thing we're gonna have to do is go put it in the town.
Can I put it in the town?
What are you doing? You gonna go to AutoZone, buddy? What are you getting at AutoZone?
Sorry.
Where are you going now, buddy? Starbucks?
Yeah.
Well, he's destroying it.
Godzilla baby.
Godzilla baby.
This is my town.
Yeah,
It is.
Logan's town.
Yeah, but I think Liam's gonna destroy it. If you guys didn't check out the video of the town that we built, I did a full video on that. That one was, what, last December, wasn't it?
Something like that. It was a year ago.
Survived a little bit. I mean, there's a few broken things on it since the video.
Yeah.
What? You hear him making car sounds? It's like...
Every time he has a car.
Whoa. Hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's different than what you're used to seeing on this channel. If you have kids, it's definitely a fun project to do with them.
Well, you do it on your own without kids.
Okay, whatever. Anyways.
If you guys see, if you would have seen on my Instagram, I had, remember the pictures of you I had? He was like taking little phone pictures of his car that he painted inside of his little garage.
Whatever. She's lying. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in the next video.